Hi my friends, today we are going to be working on some math problems, and to start we are going to look at some of our number cards. Can my friend shout out what number this is right here? That's right, this is the number 1, and if you're not sure by the way the numeral looks, by the way the number looks, you can look at the picture and we see that there is one rhino. Let's do a few more. What is this number right here? That's right, this is the number 2. Can we check by counting the number of turtles on this card? 1, 2. There are 2 turtles. Let's do a few more. Shout out this number when you know it. That's right, this is the number 3, and if we are not sure, we can count the penguins to check our answer. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 penguins. Finally, this is the number 4. Let's check our answer by counting the tadpoles. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 tadpoles. That's right. So this means this is the number 4. We're actually going to do some math addition problems. Can you say addition? Addition. Addition means adding 2 numbers together. So in order to add 2 numbers together, we are going to use our counting bears. So I'm just going to take a few of them and we're going to count them. Can we count my counting bears? 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I want you to look at this sheet of paper with me for our addition problem. Can everyone shout out what number this is? We just saw on our number cards. If you don't remember, we can go back through. This is the number 1. Can you say 1? We are going to take 1 counting bear and put it in our circle. And what number is this? It's the very same number, so we are going to put 1 more counting bear in here. And now we're going to look over here at this number. Does anyone remember what this number is from our cards? If you don't remember, we can count the turtles. Let's try. 1, 2. This is the number 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to add 1 counting bear plus 1 more counting bear, which equals 2 counting bears. Let's count all together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. If we have 1 counting bear, and we put it right in front of our answer, and we have 1 more counting bear, together we have 2 counting bears. Let's try one more problem. This is a little bit more difficult. Does anyone remember what number this is right here? Let's go back to our number card just in case. That's right, this is the number 2. So we need 2 counting bears. Can you count with me? 1, 2. So we have 2 counting bears here. This sign right here means plus or addition. So plus, how many more bears? The number is right here. That's right, 2 more counting bears. So we're going to take these 2, 1, 2. So we're taking 2 counting bears plus 2 more counting bears equals, this sign means equals, or the total goes right here. And our total is this number right here. Does anyone know what this number is? Instead of using our number cards, I want us to count all of the counting bears on this page right here to get our total, which is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we are going to put 4 counting bears right here. And these are the little ones. And let's go over that problem one more time with all of our counting bears. If we have 2 counting bears, 1, 2, and we add 2 more counting bears, 1, 2, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 counting bears. This is what 4 counting bears looks like next to each other. This is what 4 counting bears looks like next to each other, and this right here is the number 4. Thank you so much for adding with me.